Hi, welcome. Thank you for joining. My name is Percy. In this video, you're going to be learning how to calculate the area of a parallelogram. So, a parallelogram is a shape or a polygon. Let me just use this color. It's a it's a shape or a polygon that looks like this, where all the opposite sides are parallel to each other. That's why it's a parallelogram. So all the opposite sides are parallel to each other, and the way you then have to find the area of this shape or polygon is then have to able to identify your base, and then after identifying your base, then you can then identify your height, and your height is perpendicular to your base. Okay, so in this case, let's say this is my base, right? So if this is my base, let me call it, this line here is my base, then I need to find a line that is perpendicular to my base. So a line that is perpendicular to my base would be essentially this line here. This line is perpendicular to my base, and this line will be my height. So I know the base, I know the height, and the height is perpendicular to the base. Therefore, the area of this polygon, or of this polygon, which is a parallelogram, is base times height. This is how you calculate the area of parallelogram. So, I can give you an example that we can actually use to able to calculate this. Let's say an example. Let's say they want us, let me highlight it, very nice, highlight. There we go. Let's say the example says, find the area of the following parallelogram. Okay, the area of the following parallelogram. So you got a parallelogram. Okay, that doesn't look pretty. Okay, let's see if you can get a good one. Nah, I hate it when I have to draw a parallelogram. So this have to be parallel to that, and this has to be parallel to that, this has to be parallel to that. There we go. That's better. That's way better than what I just draw. So let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and you are given that AB is 5 milliliters. Let me just use unit to be inclusive for the global community. 5 units, and you are also told that they say you are also told that this is the line, which is the height that is perpendicular to your base, and the base in this case is AD, and you are told this point is E, and then so you are being told that AE is 3 units and ED is 4 units. Okay, now the question is, find the area of the following parallelogram. So that's what they want us to find the area of the following parallelogram. So what you need to do, the first thing first that you need to do, you need to able to identify your base. Okay, so your base is AD, right? And your AD is equal to AE plus ED, which is equal to 3 units plus 4 units, which is equal to 7 units. So that's your base. Great. Second thing, you need to identify your height. Right? So what is my height? Again, your height is a line that is perpendicular to your base, and it seems like your height is BE. That's your height. Now, if you observe this very close, so you got your B, E, A, so you got this triangle here. If you observe very close, you got this triangle here, ABE, right? And you are being told for sure that AE is 3 units and AB is 5 units. Then we can actually find BE by using Pythagoras. And Pythagoras theorem says that if you have A, so Pythagoras says that AB squared is equal to AE squared plus BE squared, right? AB squared, which is the hypotenuse side, and remember also this is perpendicular, so it's a right angle triangle. So AB squared, which is the hypotenuse side, is equal to AE squared plus BE squared. Okay, and then of course we know AB is 5, so we know AB is 5, so 5 squared. We know AE is 3, so 3 squared, and we're looking for BE. Therefore, BE is equal to 25 minus 9, right? 5 squared is 25, 3 squared is 9, and then you just take the negative 9, the 9 to the other side becomes negative, so you're gonna have 25 minus 9, and this is 16. So BE squared is 16. Therefore, introduce the square root on both sides. You have square root of 16 is equal to 4. Okay, so if you introduce square root on both sides, square root of 16, this is going to be BE square root of 16 is 4. So this is going to be 4 units. Great. Now we have your height, right? You have your height. Where's my highlighter? You have your height, you have your base. And what did we say? We say that to find the area, you need to be able to identify your base. Let me use a different color. You need to be able to identify your base, identify your height, and then you multiply the two. Easy now. So from here, you can have say, okay, cool. The area of this parallelogram is equal to the base, which is AD, times the height, which is BE. And that is 7 times 4, which is 7 times 4, if you punch that in your calculator, or if you do it in your head, is 28 square units. 28 square units. And that is your answer. This is how you calculate an area for parallelogram. Let me know if you have any other questions. It doesn't get better than this. This is how you do it. Find the base, find the height. The height is perpendicular to your base, and then you multiply the two, and that's your answer. If you enjoy this, please make sure you smash that like button, and also if you have questions, make sure you ask them on the comment. I'll be happy to answer you. And if you are the first timer in this channel, welcome. Please feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Boom.